What's up guys, Glenn here back on the Function Powersports YouTube channel. Today we got this badass 2017 Can-Am XDS Turbo R UTV. It's a friend of mine, Hunter's. He's got this thing completely set up. It's sitting on some cool aftermarket wheels and tires, and we're gonna go right into that. All right, so down here on this machine, we got some aftermarket wheels. There's some Method MR405 beadlock wheels, so they got the real beadlock rim to the wheel. We are running some spline lug nuts on this setup, so that way the aftermarket wheels do fit on this machine, and they are in this bronze finish with kind of like the black outside rim. Super clean design, looks absolutely amazing on this machine. And then those wheels here are paired up with some BFG Mud Terrain KM3 tires. These suckers here, they're 32 by 10 R14, and the owner Hunter told us he's got over 4,000 miles on this tire setup. This machine is running a block setup, so he can rotate the tires all around the machine. The wheels are 5+2 offset, so perfect setup for what he's doing between trail riding, crazy off-road stuff, you name it, this machine's gonna go through it. All right, so on the front of this machine and really all around it, you're gonna see this machine is completely set up with a bunch of accessories and a lot of things that you really do want for trail riding. Up top, we got a 50-inch LED light bar, and then coming down from the top here, you're gonna see that EMP windshield. It's a glass windshield with the really cool metal cage around it. And then coming down here, you're gonna see these Fox suspension logos. This machine's equipped with Fox suspension all around it. And then also something really cool as a custom touch is he's got this badass custom wrap kit. It's a one-of-one kit. Hunter worked with the graphics guy to design it, and it really sets this machine off. And then working our way down to the bottom here, we got a Super ATV front bumper. Looks awesome on here, just adds that nice little touch to the front end of the X3. And then also, you know, if you ever get buried, you get stuck, and you know, maybe you might break down at some point, you got this Warren 5,500 pound winch to pull you out of any of those situations. All right guys, so that's what we got for you today on this episode of the Spotlight with Hunter's 2017 Can-Am Maverick X3 XDS Turbo R. As you can see, this machine's just super cool. It's set up awesome. You can actually find this UTV on our gallery on functionpowersports.com. Check out the details. And while you're at the gallery on our website, you know, add your ATV or UTV on there. As long as you've got aftermarket wheels and tires, we'd love to see it on our website. All right, with that guys, you know, make sure to like this video. Let us know what you think of the machine in the comments below, and hit that little subscribe box.
Stop doing that, Glenn.
Plug that part too, you know, little subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.